Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your piano white go up. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, so then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for piano white go up, or just click here on search, then here add piano. So add piano white go up, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here, then you just click on force stop, click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, then here you search for piano while to go up, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.